Hello and welcome to the workshop. If you've ever tried applying finish in a small workshop, you know how frustrating it can be. You've got no room for a permanent spray booth. You get overspray everywhere, and as for drying space, well, you can pretty much forget that. Well, I've come up with a real space-saving solution, and in fact you're looking at it, it's underneath this assembly desk. So I'll just cut to a different shot so you can see it. So I varnish pretty often, and in fact I'm just about to, making a new shelf for here, and I need to varnish it before I assemble it. And what I've done is I'm going to use this sliding shelf. I actually got these two slides out of an old piece of furniture at the dump, but two slides are not expensive. You could even make your own to some degree. And what I've done is made some little upstands out of scrap ply, just with some pop rivets standing up, just to keep things off the base of the drawer. And all I do is put these down like so. Spray the parts, push it back in, wait for them to dry, pull it back out, turn them over, spray them again, push them back, and pretty much job done once they're dry. Now, this isn't a booth as such, but I could quite easily encase the top in here, at the back and so on, with pretty much anything. I could have an extract, but I'm using matte varnish, which is water-based. It's not particularly stinking, but if I was using a cellulose or something, I would think about that, and then maybe I would have a pull-out acrylic shelf, so to speak, that pulled out, hinged down, so it kept the front sealed, and I could have a fan out the back. And of course, it's not going to work for everybody, but it might be a solution for some of you, which is the whole point. Maybe you can change the theme. If you have some extra better ideas, please drop a comment below. If you found the video useful, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. It really helps a small channel like mine. If you'd like to know how to build a hidden wood store in your small shop, then watch the video up here. I've been Alan, you've been watching, see you in the next video.